Ms. Chang, we have seen where one of the young men in your community has been shot, another has been shot and injured. What is your take on it?
It is a very sad situation right now, and there has to be an end to this. Because Jamie, otherwise called Biggs, he has been on the campaign with me on several occasions. I remember one time when he said that his bike broke, and I gave him money to fix his bike. And I was very, very shocked this morning when I learned of the killing. Amongst others who have been killed that have been on my campaign. Amongst myself, who has been threatened many times. And we need some closure to this, and we need some peace in Sav-la-Mar. I'm begging for some peace right now.
How safe are you feeling knowing that since you have won, you have gotten a number of death threats and so on? How safe are you feeling?
I do not feel safe. I feel very naked right now, and I need help. I myself need help. My children have not been in school. And there are some, there's some incidences I don't even want to disclose on air, which is a very, very, very sad situation, and I'm very worried right now. Not only for myself, but for my supporters and the people of Sav-la-Mar. We need some peace.
And who would you be calling on to put an end to this situation?
I am calling on the Superintendent of Police for the Sav-la-Mar, the Westmoreland Division, and I'm also calling on everyone in Sav-la-Mar, including the JLP supporters, and I'm calling on my fellow PNP supporters. Everyone, we need to come together. The election is over, there's a clear winner, and we need to just come together now and let this work. We need peace. We need no more killings in Sav-la-Mar right now.